मैं क्लासरूम के सामने रुक गया।
I stopped in front of the classroom. I stopped in front of the classroom.
वो उस वक्त तक कोशिश करता रहा जब तक उसने अपने मंसूबे को हासिल ना कर लिया।
He kept on trying till he achieved his plans. He kept on trying till he achieved his plans.
आपको चोटी तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करते रहना है।
You have to keep striving to reach the top. You have to keep striving to reach the top.
अवाम ने उनके गैर मामूली कारनामे की तारीफ की।
The public praised him for his exceptional feat. The public praised him for his exceptional feat.
मेरा कुत्ता दहशत से भौंकने लगा।
Mig dog barkede indtager. Mig dog barkede indtager.
मुकाबले में तलबा शामिल हैं।
Students are included in the competition. Students are included in the competition.
इसकी तरह सुस्त न बनो।
Don't slugish likahim. Don't slugish likahim.
बरामदे से आने वाले शोर ने उसे चौंका दिया।
The noise from the hallway startled her. The noise from the hallway startled her.
मेरे लिबास पर सियाही लगी हुई थी।
My dress was stained with ink. My dress was stained with ink.
हम अपने मुताले में निजी तौर पर बात कर सकते हैं।
We can speak privately in my study. We can speak privately in my study.